What's up, everybody? Welcome to Colorful Trips with Gucci La Creme. Today, we're talking travel. Not just any travel, the kind that changes you, the kind that makes you feel small in the best way possible. You know, dwarfed by the sheer size and beauty of this lovely planet. We're talking about the kind of adventure that makes you feel truly alive, you know? The kind where you're chasing sunsets and chasing dreams all at the same time. And the best part? You don't need to be a millionaire or an influencer with 1 million followers to make it happen. All you need is a thirst for adventure and a willingness to say yes to the unknown. So buckle up, because I'm about to drop some serious travel knowledge on you. I know, you're tempted to bring everything, but trust me, less is more when you're globetrotting. Pro tip: roll your clothes instead of folding. That'll save you space for those souvenirs you're bound to pick up along the way. Think about it. How much time are you actually going to spend wearing those clothes? You're going to be too busy exploring, soaking up the culture, trying new foods to even worry about what you're wearing. Plus, who wants to lug around a heavy suitcase? Not me. Here's my advice: pack for a week, max. Choose versatile pieces that you can mix and match. And roll, don't fold. It's like magic, I swear. You can fit so much more in your suitcase when you roll your clothes. Traveling light isn't just about packing less, it's about having more freedom to move, more flexibility to change your plans, and a more open mind to embrace whatever comes your way. Plan for spontaneity. A little planning is essential, but I'm not talking about creating a minute-by-minute itinerary that dictates your every move. I'm talking about striking a balance between structure and flexibility. Think of it like this: you're creating a loose framework, a skeleton for your adventure, but you're leaving plenty of room for improvisation. Have a general idea of where you want to go and what you want to see, but don't be afraid to deviate from the plan. Some of my most memorable travel experiences have been the result of spontaneous decisions. The beauty of spontaneity is that it opens you up to the unexpected, to the serendipitous moments that make travel so magical. So go out there, embrace the unknown, and let the journey unfold organically. Tip 4: learn the lingo. Look, I'm not saying you need to become fluent in every language before you travel, but trust me, learning a few basic phrases in the local language can make a world of difference. It shows respect for the culture, breaks down communication barriers, and often leads to more authentic interactions with locals. Plus, it's just plain fun. Think about it. How good does it feel when someone makes an effort to speak your language, even if it's just a few words? It instantly creates a connection. Start with the basics. Hello, thank you, please, excuse me. These simple phrases go a long way. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's part of the learning process. Get wonderfully lost. Put away the map, silence your phone, and just wander. That's right. I'm giving you permission to get intentionally, wonderfully lost. When you're not so focused on getting from point A to point B, you start to notice the little things, the architectural details you missed, the charming cafes tucked away on side streets. You become more present, more attuned to your surroundings. Plus, getting lost often leads to unexpected discoveries. These are the moments that make travel so special, the ones you'll remember long after you've returned home. So, next time you're exploring a new city, I challenge you to get lost on purpose. Be present. All right, let's talk about something really important: being present in the moment. It's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of travel, snapping photos, checking social media, planning the next adventure, that we forget to actually experience the present moment. We become so focused on capturing the perfect shot that we miss out on the beauty unfolding right in front of us. So put down the phone, step away from the camera, and just be present. Engage all your senses: the sights, the sounds, the smells, the tastes. Connect with the people you meet, listen to their stories, and share your own. Remember, travel is not just about collecting passport stamps or Instagram likes, it's about experiencing the world with all your senses. I hope you found these tips helpful. Please share your favorite travel tip in the comments below, and subscribe for more travel insights. Wherever your travels take you, remember, it's not just about the destination, but the moments in between. Look, the world is a big, beautiful, and awe-inspiring place. It's out there waiting for you, begging to be explored. So what are you waiting for? Book that flight, pack your bags, lightly, of course, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Until next time, the world is waiting.